So let's check the review of CR Droid 7.2 on MI1. Let's skip to the about phone. As you can see, the Android version is Android 11, the CR Droid version is 7.2. The security patch is of Jan 5. Now let's check the customizations in network and internet. In mobile network, you get Volt, and Volt is working fine as you can see the logo. Then you get Wi-Fi calling. In hotspot and tethering, you get Wi-Fi hotspot. Then you get USB tethering, Bluetooth tethering and Ethernet tethering. And you also get the option of allow client to use VPN on hotspot. Then in apps and notification. In notification, you get notification bubbles. Then you get default tab, permission manager. Then you get wireless emergency alert and special app access. And in battery, you get battery manager. You get battery saver. In this you get extreme battery saver. Then in display, you get dark theme. And you can also choose a dark mode. Then you get live display. In this you get reading mode, color calibration and picture adjustment. Then you get styles and wallpaper. In this you get wallpaper. You can choose the wallpaper. In styles you can choose the accent, color, font type, etc. And then get grid. And you also get the clock option. See, lock screen clock. Then you get the rotation settings. See, in this you can rotate the screen to 0 degree, 90, 180 and 270 degrees. Then in lock screen, you get notification on lock screen, add text on lock screen, display media cover art, and lock screen pulse, show lockdown option, left to check phone and wake device for notification. Then in sound, you can adjust the sounds. And here you get media, show media player in quick settings. Then here down, you get MI sound enhancer. In this you get choose headphone type and a preset. Then in privacy, you get permission manager. In this you get allow the permission for certain apps. Then in location, you can allow location for certain apps. In security, you get pattern, fingerprint and face unlock. See, in pattern, you can choose the 606 pattern. You can also use the face unlock. And fingerprint is pretty fast. See, I'll show you. As you can see, it's pretty fast. See, it's pretty fast. In system, you get system profiles. You can choose the profile and also add one. Then you get gestures. In this you get swipe fingerprint for notification. Then quickly open the camera. Left to check phone. Prevent ringing, and in power menu you get advanced restart, device control and sensitive content. The main customizations are in the CR Droid settings. Here you get tons and tons of customizations. See in status bar, you get status bar icons. Then clock style, clock and date, you get auto hide. Then hide duration, show duration, clock seconds, AM PM style, date position, etc. Then network traffic monitor. Then you get old style signal icon. Then data disabled icon, 4G icon, roaming indicator, Bluetooth battery status, volt icon, VO Wi-Fi icon. Then VO Wi-Fi override. Then battery style, battery percentage while charging, and battery bar. And gestures, you get double tap to sleep on status bar. Then brightness control and quick pull down. And in quick settings, you can adjust the columns and rows in portrait and landscape mode. Then you get tile title, vibrate on touch, then battery style, battery percentage. The same options you get in the status bar. See, clock, brightness slider, auto brightness, etc. Then in lock screen, you get status bar, lock icon, weather, media cover art filter, charging animation, battery info, double tap to sleep on lock screen, fingerprint authentication vibration, fingerprint error vibration, power menu customization, and secure power menu and quick settings. In navigation, you get a navigation bar. See, in this you get show arrow keys while typing, layout, invert layout, back button, home button and reset button customizations. In system gestures, you get the same gestures. In button, you can disable the hardware keys, then you can adjust the backlight. Accidental touch. See, in power menu, you get advanced restart and secure lock screen. And you can end call using power button. Long press for torch. And automatically disable the torch. In home button, you can answer call using home button. Long press action and double tap action. In back button, you get long press action. In recent button, in volume button, you get screenshot type. And screenshot delay. Wake device using volume button. Then answer call using volume button. Control playback, keyboard cursor control. And reorient volume buttons. In user interface, you get ambient display. In ambient display, you get wake screen for notification. Then pickup, hand wave, pocket mode, vibrate, etc. Then you get navbar styles. And weather service, you get service setting, weather app icon, etc. In notifications, you get head up notification, less boring notification, battery light, notification light, etc. In sound, you get pulse. In this, you get navbar pulse, lock screen pulse, render mode, turn on smoothing, and color. Then lava lamp speed, etc. Charging sound. In this, you get charging sound, and you get screenshot sound. You get volume steps, then adaptive playback, etc. In miscellaneous, you get show CPU info, gaming mode, smart charging, 3-finger screenshot, toast icon, pocket detection, etc. And about section of CR Droid ROM. So these are the customizations of CR Droid 7.2. Now let's check the camera tape is enabled or not. As you can see, the camera tape is enabled. In this you get the stock camera. But of course, you can install the Gcam which I have installed. In this you get the default launcher with many customizations. See, in the icon, you can choose the notification dots and icon pack. Then home screen, you get show Google app at a glance, show new app playing, allow edit, then double tap to sleep, add app icon to home screen, then show icon label on desktop and show icon label in landscape mode. Then in app drawer, you get show icon label in drawer. And miscellaneous, you get allow home screen rotation and hidden and protected apps. The Volt is working fine, as you can see logo. Now let's check the calls are working or not. See 198.
Welcome to Geo Marathi-साठी एक दाबा. To continue in English.
As you can see, the calls are working fine. The battery life of the ROM is pretty good. I got around 6 hours of screen on time. The ROM is pretty smooth. I didn't face any bug in this ROM. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in the next one.
What just happened?